how to disable direct messages on Facebook. Firstly, go on your profile selection, which is right here, scroll down, go for edit public details. Then from here you need to scroll down again, and then you need to go on edit your about info, click on that green light selection, scroll down and go for basic info. You need to change up your site selection, which is on your birthday. Yeah, right from here go on date of birth. As you can see, birth year, it is the most important here. Just tap on it to change it, and yeah, from here you can take it if you want public or it doesn't matter. Firstly, if you want to change that selection, you can choose from one of the birthdays that you previously listed on your profile. Okay, now from here, what is the most important, you need to choose up an age which is related, which is below 18 and which is above 13, because this is the limited section where there could be disabling direct messages by getting that selection.